Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be presenting all important days and important dates for the month of January, which is a very important GK topic. So let's get started. 4th January, World Braille Day. World Braille Day is observed to raise awareness of the importance of Braille as a means of communication for blind and visually impaired people. This date marks the birthday of Louis Braille, the creator of this writing system. 9th January, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, that is the NRI Day for India. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is a celebratory day observed on 9th January in India to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the development of India. The day commemorates the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai on 9th January 1915. 10th January, World Hindi Day. The day commemorates the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference held in Nagpur on 10 January 1975, which saw 122 delegates from 30 countries participating in it. World Hindi Day was first celebrated in year 2006 by former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh with an aim to promote Hindi language across the world. 12th January, National Youth Day. In India, National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, which is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day. 15th January, Indian Army Day. Army Day is celebrated on 15th January every year in India in recognition of Field Marshal K. M. Cariappa taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher, who was the last British Commander-in-Chief of India on 15 January 1949. In India, the Army Day also marks a day to salute the valiant soldiers who sacrificed their lives to protect the country and its citizens. 24th January, National Girl Child Day, also called Balika Divas. It was started by the Union Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India in year 2008 with the purpose to spread awareness among people about all inequalities girls face in Indian society. The day is celebrated by organizing various programs including awareness campaigns on Save the Girl Child, child sex ratios, and creating a healthy and safe environment for a girl child. 24th January, International Day of Education. In 2018, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution proclaiming January 24 as International Day of Education in celebration of the role of education for bringing global peace and sustainable development. 25th January is the National Voters Day in India. In order to encourage more young voters to take part in the political process, Government of India has decided to celebrate January 25 every year as National Voters Day. It has been started from 25th January 2011 to mark the foundation day of Election Commission of India. 26th January is the Republic Day of India. This day honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. 26 January is also the International Customs Day. Every year on 26 January, International Customs Day is observed to recognize the role of custom officials and agencies in maintaining the flow of goods across the world borders. On this day, members of the World Customs Organization also showcase their efforts and activities. 27 January, it is the International Holocaust Remembrance Day. This day commemorates the genocide that resulted in the deaths of 6 million Jews and 11 million others by the Nazi regime and its collaborators. It was designated by the United Nations General Assembly resolution in 2005. On 27 January 1945, Auschwitz-Birkenau, the largest Nazi concentration and death camp, was liberated by the Red Army. 28 January, Data Privacy Day. Data Privacy Day is an international event that occurs every year on 28 January. The purpose of Data Privacy Day is to raise awareness and promote privacy in data protection best practices. So that's it, friends. You can download the PDF file of important days of January. The link has been provided in the description box. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.